provision for delightful meal. Convenient meal and snacks deliver straight to your doorstep. Oh, tell me what you dey crave for hearty breakfast without the hustle. Oh, hungry bed now your block for any kind of food when you want to chop. Shebi hunger no dey buy you. Why you want let the hunger bury you? We get that for all kind of soup, stew, egusi and ewa. Even if no snacks you want chop, spring roll, fish pie, meat pie, donuts, mash up. And their food is delicious, so it dey bounce brain, oh, it dey make in my head, it dey my head. I'm a food it already, oh. Now hungry bed be my plug, oh. I'm a food it already, oh. Now hungry bed be my connect, oh. I'm a food it already, oh. Now wait till get chop, we go fit safe life. I'm a food it already, oh. Now hungry bed be my connect, oh. Be my connect, maximum satisfaction. I'm on no play with your special dedication, yo. I know say your mama iyawo is a big cook, but someone cook better. Hungry man cook special, oh. Your food must spend $2. If you chop and you go testify. It's so sweet and